Passing your property and casualty insurance exam requires a clear grasp of key concepts, policy types, and how claims and liability are handled. In this video, we'll cover insurance terms, concepts, and policy structure, types of policies, and liability claims and general application issues. And don't miss what's happening in the bottom corner. It's designed to supercharge your exam prep. We'll explain more in just a minute. Let's dive in and get started.
Insurance terms, concepts, and policy structure. Insurance concepts: risk, hazard, peril, insurable interest, indemnity, proximate cause, etc. What is the primary purpose of indemnity in an insurance policy? Is it A, to provide profit to the insured, B, to restore the insured's financial position, C, to cover all possible risks, or D, to ensure the insurer makes a profit? The answer is B, to restore the insured's financial position. Indemnity ensures that the insured is restored to their financial position prior to the loss, without profiting from the insurance claim. A homeowner's policyholder experiences a fire that destroys their kitchen. What insurance concept determines the insurer's responsibility to cover the loss? Is it A, the concept of hazard, B, the concept of risk, C, the concept of proximate cause, or D, the concept of insurable interest? The answer is C, the concept of proximate cause. Proximate cause is the primary cause of the loss. In this case, the fire is the proximate cause, determining the insurer's responsibility.
Have you noticed the code in the bottom corner? Next time you're stumped, take that code to birdsy.ai for immediate help and a free study session with Birdsy, your personal AI study partner. Plus, you'll get access to hundreds of additional questions, helping you move closer to passing your exam with confidence. The next time you're feeling unsure or stuck, give it a try.
Which term describes the potential for loss in an insurance context? Is it A, the term risk, B, the term peril, C, the term hazard, or D, the term indemnity? The answer is A, the term risk. Risk refers to the uncertainty regarding financial loss, which is a fundamental concept in insurance. A business owner has a policy that covers theft. After a burglary, the owner files a claim. Which concept ensures the owner does not receive more than the loss amount? Is it A, the concept of peril, B, the concept of hazard, C, the concept of proximate cause, or D, the concept of indemnity? The answer is D, the concept of indemnity. Indemnity ensures the insured is compensated only for the actual loss, preventing profit from the insurance claim. What is a peril in the context of insurance? Is it A, a potential risk, B, a condition increasing risk, C, a specific cause of loss, or D, an insurance policy term? The answer is C, a specific cause of loss. A peril is the specific cause of a loss, such as fire, theft, or flood, which is covered by an insurance policy. A car owner has an insurance policy that covers collision damage. After an accident, the insurer assesses the damage and offers compensation. Which concept ensures the owner is not overcompensated? Is it A, the concept of risk, B, the concept of peril, C, the concept of indemnity, or D, the concept of hazard? The answer is C, the concept of indemnity. Indemnity ensures that the insured is restored to their financial position prior to the loss, without profiting from the insurance claim. Which term describes the cause of a loss in an insurance policy? Is it A, hazard, B, peril, C, risk, or D, indemnity? The answer is B, peril. A peril is the specific risk or cause of loss covered by an insurance policy, such as fire or theft. A homeowner notices a leaking roof that could lead to water damage. Which insurance concept is relevant in assessing the potential for future claims? Is it A, the concept of hazard, B, the concept of peril, C, the concept of indemnity, or D, the concept of proximate cause? The answer is A, the concept of hazard. A hazard is a condition that increases the likelihood of a peril occurring, such as a leaking roof leading to water damage.
If you're finding this helpful, please take a minute to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practice exams, useful tips, and complimentary study sessions with Birdsy.
Policy provisions, endorsements, limits, deductibles, coinsurance. John's home insurance policy has a $1,000 deductible. After a storm, he files a claim for $5,000 in damages. How much will his insurance company pay? Is it A, $5,000, B, $4,000, C, $1,000, or D, $3,000? The answer is B, $4,000. The insurance company will pay the claim amount minus the deductible. Therefore, $5,000 minus $1,000 equals $4,000 will be paid by the insurer. What is the primary purpose of a coinsurance clause in an insurance policy? Is it A, to increase the premium, B, to reduce the insurer's risk, C, to encourage adequate insurance coverage, or D, to eliminate deductibles? The answer is C, to encourage adequate insurance coverage. A coinsurance clause ensures that policyholders insure their property to a specified percentage of its value, promoting adequate coverage and sharing risk between insurer and insured. Emily's commercial property policy includes a coinsurance clause requiring 80% coverage. Her property is valued at $500,000, but she insures it for $350,000. If she suffers a $100,000 loss, how much will she receive? Is it A, $87,500, B, $100,000, C, $80,000, or D, $70,000? The answer is A, $87,500. Emily's insurance coverage is below the required 80%, leading to a penalty. The payout is calculated as insured amount divided by required amount times loss equals $350,000 divided by $400,000 times $100,000 equals $87,500. Which of the following is an endorsement in an insurance policy? Is it A, deductible, B, coinsurance, C, limit, or D, rider? The answer is D, rider. An endorsement is a modification to the original insurance policy, adding or changing coverage terms. It can be used to tailor a policy to specific needs. Sarah's auto insurance policy has a liability limit of $100,000. She causes an accident, resulting in $150,000 in damages. How much will Sarah be personally responsible for? Is it A, $0, B, $100,000, C, $50,000, or D, $150,000? The answer is C, $50,000. Sarah's insurance will cover up to the policy limit of $100,000. She will be personally responsible for the remaining $50,000 in damages. Michael's business insurance policy has a coinsurance requirement of 90%. His property is valued at $1 million, but he insures it for $800,000. If he suffers a $200,000 loss, how much will he receive? Is it A, $160,000, B, $177,778, C, $200,000, or D, $180,000? The answer is B, $177,778. Michael's insurance covers 80% of the required 90%, so he will receive 80 over 90 of the loss amount. This results in a payout of approximately $177,778. What is the primary function of a deductible in an insurance policy? Is it A, to reduce small claims and lower premiums? B, to increase the coverage limit? C, to eliminate the need for coinsurance? Or D, to provide additional endorsements? The answer is A, to reduce small claims and lower premiums. A deductible is the amount the policyholder must pay out of pocket before the insurance company pays a claim, reducing small claims and lowering premiums. Lisa's homeowners policy includes an endorsement for earthquake coverage. After an earthquake, she files a claim for $50,000 in damages. Her policy has a 10% deductible based on the dwelling's value of $300,000. How much will she receive? Is it A, $50,000, B, $30,000, C, $20,000, or D, $0? The answer is C, $20,000. Lisa's deductible is $30,000. Therefore, she will receive $20,000 after the deductible is applied to her $50,000 claim. Premium determination, rating, methods of handling risk. A small business owner is considering different insurance policies. How might their premium be affected if they choose a policy with a higher deductible? Is it A, the premium will increase? B, the premium will decrease? C, the premium will remain the same? Or D, the premium will be unaffected by the deductible? The answer is B, the premium will decrease. Choosing a higher deductible generally lowers the premium because the insured assumes more risk, reducing the insurer's potential payout. What is the primary purpose of risk pooling in insurance? Is it A, to increase premiums for all policyholders? B, to reduce the number of claims filed? C, to spread risk among many policyholders? Or D, to eliminate risk entirely? The answer is C, to spread risk among many policyholders. Risk pooling spreads the financial risk among a large number of policyholders, making losses more predictable and manageable for insurers. A homeowner is evaluating their insurance options. How might their premium be affected if they install a security system? Is it A, the premium will decrease? B, the premium will increase? C, the premium will remain unchanged? Or D, the premium will be unaffected by the security system? The answer is A, the premium will decrease. Installing a security system can lower the premium as it reduces the risk of theft or damage, making the property safer and less risky to insure. Which method of handling risk involves transferring the risk to another party? Is it A, risk avoidance, B, risk retention, C, risk reduction, or D, risk transfer? The answer is D, risk transfer. Risk transfer involves shifting the financial burden of risk to another party, typically through insurance, where the insurer assumes the risk in exchange for premiums. An individual is comparing two auto insurance policies. One offers a lower premium but higher out-of-pocket costs in case of an accident. What is this trade-off an example of? Is it A, risk elimination, B, risk pooling, C, premium deductible trade-off, or D, risk retention? The answer is C, premium deductible trade-off. This trade-off is an example of the balance between premium and deductible. Lower premiums often come with higher deductibles, meaning more out-of-pocket costs when a claim is made. A restaurant owner is considering purchasing insurance and is worried about potential fire damage. How might the installation of a sprinkler system affect their insurance premium? Is it A, it may lower the premium, B, it may increase the premium, C, it will have no effect on the premium, or D, it will require additional coverage? The answer is A, it may lower the premium. Installing a sprinkler system reduces the risk of fire damage, which can lead to a lower insurance premium as the insurer perceives a reduced risk of loss. What is the primary purpose of underwriting in insurance? Is it A, to sell more policies, B, to assess risk and determine premiums, C, to deny claims, or D, to provide customer service? The answer is B, to assess risk and determine premiums. Underwriting is the process of evaluating risk to determine the appropriate premium and coverage terms. It ensures that the insurer can cover potential claims while remaining profitable. A homeowner is considering purchasing flood insurance. How might their premium be affected if they live in a high-risk flood zone? Is it A, their premium will decrease, B, their premium will remain the same, C, their premium will increase, or D, their premium will be unaffected by location? The answer is C, their premium will increase. Living in a high-risk flood zone typically results in higher insurance premiums due to the increased likelihood of claims. Insurers adjust premiums based on risk assessments to cover potential losses.
Stuck on a question? Just think of the Birdsy link in the description as your friendly neighborhood superhero, swooping in to save the day with answers. Feel free to explore it now and return to continue. Simply hit pause, and we'll be waiting when you get back.
Personal lines, types of policies. Homeowners. Which homeowners policy form provides coverage for renters? Is it A, Homeowners 2 policy, B, Homeowners 3 policy, C, Homeowners 4 policy, or D, Homeowners 6? The answer is C, Homeowners 4 policy. Homeowners 4 is specifically designed for renters, providing coverage for personal property and liability, but not the building structure itself. John owns a historic home with unique architectural features. Which homeowner's policy form is most suitable for his needs? Is it A, Homeowners 2 policy, B, Homeowners 3 policy, C, Homeowners 5 policy, or D, Homeowners 8 policy? The answer is D, Homeowners 8. Homeowners 8 is tailored for older homes, offering coverage based on actual cash value rather than replacement cost, which is ideal for historic properties. Which homeowner's policy form provides the most comprehensive coverage for personal property? Is it A, Homeowners 2, B, Homeowners 5, C, Homeowners 4, or D, Homeowners 6? The answer is B, Homeowners 5. Homeowners 5 policy offers the most comprehensive coverage, providing open perils coverage for both the dwelling and personal property. Sarah lives in a condominium and wants to ensure her personal property and interior improvements are covered. Which policy should she choose? Is it A, Homeowners 2 policy, B, Homeowners 3 policy, C, Homeowners 6, or D, Homeowners 8? The answer is C, Homeowners 6 policy. Homeowners Bag 6 is designed for condominium owners, covering personal property and interior improvements, which suits Sarah's needs. Which homeowner's policy form is known as the special form policy? Is it A, Homeowners 2 policy, B, Homeowners 3 policy, C, Homeowners 4, or D, Homeowners 5? The answer is B, Homeowners 3. Homeowners 3 policy is known as the special form policy, providing open perils coverage for the dwelling and named perils for personal property. Emily is renting an apartment and wants to ensure her personal belongings are covered in case of theft or damage. Which homeowner's policy form should she choose? Is it A, Homeowners 2 policy, B, Homeowners 3 policy, C, Homeowners 4 policy, or D, Homeowners 6? The answer is C, Homeowners 4. The Homeowners 4 policy is specifically designed for renters, providing coverage for personal property against risks like theft or damage without covering the building itself. Which homeowner's policy form is specifically designed for condominium unit owners? Is it A, Homeowners 2, B, Homeowners 3, C, Homeowners 4, or D, Homeowners 6? The answer is D, Homeowners 6. The Homeowners 6 policy is tailored for condominium owners, covering personal property and any improvements made to the unit's interior. Mark owns a home built in 1920 with original features. He wants a policy that considers the cost of restoring these features. Which policy is most suitable? Is it A, Homeowners 2, B, Homeowners 8, C, Homeowners 5, or D, Homeowners 6? The answer is B, Homeowners 8. The Homeowners 8 policy is ideal for older homes, offering coverage that considers the cost of restoring original features rather than replacing them with modern equivalents. Dwelling policies. John's rental property is damaged by a fire. He has a DP1 policy. What type of coverage will he receive for the damage? Is it A, replacement cost, B, actual cash value, C, agreed value, or D, market value? The answer is B, actual cash value. DP1 policies provide actual cash value coverage for property damage, which means the payout is based on the property's depreciated value at the time of loss. Which of the following perils is covered under a DP2 policy but not under a DP1 policy? Is it A, fire, B, lightning, C, falling objects, or D? The answer is C, falling objects. DP2 policies cover additional perils such as falling objects, which are not included in the basic DP1 policy. Emily's home is insured under a DP3 policy. A tree falls on her roof during a storm. What type of coverage will she receive? Is it A, all-risk coverage, B, named peril coverage, C, actual cash value, or D, no coverage? The answer is A, all-risk coverage. DP3 policies provide all-risk coverage for the dwelling, meaning any peril not specifically excluded is covered, including falling trees. What is the primary difference between a DP2 and a DP3 policy? Is it A, DP2 is more expensive, B, DP3 covers fewer perils, C, DP2 includes liability coverage, or D, DP3 provides all-risk coverage? The answer is D, DP3 provides all-risk coverage. The primary difference is that DP3 provides all-risk coverage for the dwelling, while DP2 offers named peril coverage. Sarah's DP2 policy covers her rental property. A windstorm causes significant damage. How will her policy respond? Is it A, cover the damage under named perils, B, deny the claim due to exclusion, C, offer limited coverage, or D, require additional endorsement? The answer is A, cover the damage under named perils. DP2 policies cover windstorm damage as part of their named perils, providing coverage for Sarah's rental property damage. Lisa's vacation home is insured under a DP1 policy. During a thunderstorm, lightning strikes and causes a fire. How will her policy respond? Is it A, the policy will cover the fire damage, B, the policy will cover only the lightning strike, C, the policy will not cover any damage, or D, the policy will cover only structural damage? The answer is A, the policy will cover the fire damage. A DP1 policy covers fire and lightning as named perils. Lisa will receive coverage for the fire damage caused by the lightning strike. Which of the following perils is covered under a DP3 policy? Is it A, flood, B, vandalism, C, earthquake, or D, war? The answer is B, vandalism. A DP3 policy provides all-risk coverage for the dwelling, meaning it covers all perils except those specifically excluded. Mark's rental property, insured under a DP2 policy, suffers damage from a burst pipe. What type of coverage will he receive? Is it A, no coverage as water damage is excluded? B, partial coverage for structural damage only? C, full coverage for the burst pipe damage? Or D, coverage only if the pipe was recently inspected? The answer is C, full coverage for the burst pipe damage. A DP2 policy covers damage from accidental discharge or overflow of water from plumbing systems, so Mark will receive coverage for the burst pipe damage. Inland marine and personal property floaters. What is the primary purpose of an inland marine insurance policy? Is it A, to insure marine vessels? B, to cover property in transit over land? C, to insure stationary property? Or D, to provide liability coverage for businesses? The answer is B, to cover property in transit over land. Inland marine insurance primarily covers property in transit over land, as well as certain types of movable property. It is distinct from marine insurance, which covers ocean and sea transport. Sarah is transporting her valuable art collection to a gallery exhibition. Which type of insurance policy should she consider to protect her collection during transit? Is it A, homeowners insurance? B, auto insurance? C, inland marine insurance? Or D, flood insurance? The answer is C, inland marine insurance. Sarah should consider an inland marine insurance policy, which is specifically designed to cover valuable items in transit, such as art collections, ensuring they are protected during transportation. Which of the following is typically covered under a personal property floater? Is it A, jewelry? B, real estate? C, automobiles? Or D, business equipment? The answer is A, jewelry. A personal property floater is designed to cover high-value personal items, such as jewelry, that may not be fully covered under standard homeowners insurance policies. John is a photographer who frequently travels with expensive camera equipment. What type of insurance should he purchase to ensure his equipment is covered while on the road? Is it A, homeowners insurance? B, travel insurance? C, general liability insurance? Or D, inland marine insurance? The answer is D, inland marine insurance. John should purchase an inland marine policy, which is ideal for covering valuable equipment that is frequently transported, such as camera gear used by photographers. Which of the following is not typically covered by inland marine insurance? Is it A, construction equipment? B, fine art in transit? C, mobile medical equipment? Or D, stationary real estate? The answer is D, stationary real estate. Inland marine insurance does not typically cover stationary real estate properties, as it is designed for movable property and goods in transit. Emily is moving her antique furniture collection to a new home. Which insurance policy should she consider to ensure coverage during the move? Is it A, homeowners insurance? B, personal property floater? C, auto insurance? Or D, flood insurance? The answer is B, personal property floater. A personal property floater provides coverage for specific valuable items during transit, such as Emily's antique furniture, ensuring protection against damage or loss. Which type of insurance policy is designed to cover personal property that is frequently moved or transported? Is it A, homeowners insurance? B, auto insurance? C, inland marine insurance? Or D, flood insurance? The answer is C, inland marine insurance. Inland marine insurance is designed to cover personal property that is frequently moved or transported, providing protection against loss or damage. David is a musician who travels with his instruments for performances. What type of insurance should he purchase to ensure his instruments are covered while traveling? Is it A, personal property floater, B, homeowners insurance, C, auto insurance, or D, flood insurance? The answer is A, personal property floater. A personal property floater is ideal for covering specific valuable items like musical instruments during travel, ensuring protection against loss or damage.
If you're finding this helpful, please take a minute to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practice exams, useful tips, and complimentary study sessions with Birdsy.
National Flood Insurance Program. What is the standard waiting period for a NFIP policy to become effective after purchase? Is it A, 10 days, B, 30 days, C, 45 days, or D, 60 days? The answer is B, 30 days. The standard waiting period for a National Flood Insurance Program policy to become effective is 30 days from the date of purchase, unless the policy is bought at the time of a mortgage closing. John recently purchased a home in a flood-prone area and is considering flood insurance. If a flood occurs 20 days after he buys the policy, will he be covered? Is it A, yes, immediately, B, yes, after 10 days, C, no, due to the 30-day waiting period, or D, yes, if he pays an extra fee? The answer is C, no, due to the 30-day waiting period. John will not be covered because the standard waiting period for flood insurance is 30 days, and the flood occurred before this period elapsed. Which of the following is not covered by the NFIP? Is it A, building damage, B, personal property damage, C, basement contents, or D, vehicle damage? The answer is D, vehicle damage. The National Flood Insurance Program does not cover damage to vehicles. It covers buildings and personal property, but excludes vehicles and temporary housing expenses. Maria's home is in a high-risk flood area, and she is required by her mortgage lender to have flood insurance. What type of flood insurance policy should she purchase? Is it A, standard flood insurance policy, B, preferred risk policy, C, excess flood insurance, or D, temporary flood coverage? The answer is A, standard flood insurance policy. Maria should purchase a standard flood insurance policy, which is required for homes in high-risk areas and meets lender requirements. Which government agency administers the National Flood Insurance Program? Is it A, Department of Housing and Urban Development, B, Environmental Protection Agency, C, Federal Emergency Management Agency, or D, Small Business Administration? The answer is C, Federal Emergency Management Agency. The Federal Emergency Management Agency administers the National Flood Insurance Program, providing flood insurance to property owners in participating communities. Emily's home is located in a moderate to low-risk flood area. She wants to know if she can purchase flood insurance through the NFIP. Is she eligible? Is it A, yes, she is eligible, B, no, only high-risk areas are eligible, C, yes, but only if she has a mortgage, or D, no, she must live in a coastal area? The answer is A, yes, she is eligible. The National Flood Insurance Program offers policies to anyone in participating communities, regardless of flood risk level. Emily can purchase flood insurance even if her home is in a moderate to low-risk area. What is the maximum coverage limit for residential buildings under the NFIP? Is it A, $100,000, B, $250,000, C, $500,000, or D, $750,000? The answer is B, $250,000. The NFIP provides a maximum coverage limit of $250,000 for residential buildings. This limit is set to help homeowners recover from flood damage. Tom is considering purchasing flood insurance for his commercial property. What is the maximum coverage limit he can obtain under the NFIP? Is it A, $250,000, B, $350,000, C, $500,000, or D, $750,000? The answer is C, $500,000. For commercial properties, the NFIP offers a maximum coverage limit of $500,000. This helps businesses recover from flood-related damages. Other coverages: earthquake, mobile home, watercraft, windstorm. Sarah's mobile home was damaged during a severe windstorm. Which type of insurance coverage would most likely cover the repair costs? Is it A, earthquake insurance, B, watercraft insurance, C, mobile home insurance, or D, flood insurance? The answer is C, mobile home insurance. Mobile home insurance typically covers damage from windstorms, ensuring that repair costs are covered. It is essential for mobile homeowners to have this coverage to protect against such natural disasters. Which type of insurance policy is specifically designed to cover damages to a boat? Is it A, earthquake insurance, B, watercraft insurance, C, mobile home insurance, or D, windstorm insurance? The answer is B, watercraft insurance. Watercraft insurance is designed to cover damages to boats and other water vehicles, providing protection against various risks associated with watercraft usage. After a minor earthquake, Tom notices cracks in his home's foundation. Which insurance policy should he check for coverage? Is it A, earthquake insurance, B, mobile home insurance, C, watercraft insurance, or D, windstorm insurance? The answer is A, earthquake insurance. Earthquake insurance covers damage caused by earthquakes, including structural damage like cracks in the foundation. Homeowners should ensure they have this coverage if they live in earthquake-prone areas. What type of insurance would cover damage to a home from a hurricane? Is it A, earthquake insurance, B, mobile home insurance, C, watercraft insurance, or D, windstorm insurance? The answer is D, windstorm insurance. Windstorm insurance covers damage from hurricanes and other wind-related events, providing financial protection for homeowners in affected areas. Lisa's boat was damaged during a storm while docked. Which insurance policy should she review for potential coverage? Is it A, earthquake insurance, B, watercraft insurance, C, mobile home insurance, or D, windstorm insurance? The answer is B, watercraft insurance. Watercraft insurance covers damage to boats, including those caused by storms. It is crucial for boat owners to have this coverage to protect their investment. During a family vacation, Emily's watercraft was damaged by a sudden windstorm. Which insurance policy should she review for coverage? Is it A, homeowners insurance, B, watercraft insurance, C, auto insurance, or D, earthquake insurance? The answer is B, watercraft insurance. Watercraft insurance typically covers damage to boats and personal watercrafts caused by events like windstorms. Emily should check her watercraft policy for coverage details. Which type of insurance policy is specifically designed to cover damages to a mobile home? Is it A, mobile home insurance, B, homeowners insurance, C, auto insurance, or D, flood insurance? The answer is A, mobile home insurance. Mobile home insurance is designed to cover damages to mobile homes, including protection against risks like fire, theft, and certain natural disasters. After a minor earthquake, John notices his mobile home has shifted slightly. Which insurance policy should he check for potential coverage? Is it A, flood insurance, B, homeowners insurance, C. Earthquake insurance, or D. Windstorm insurance? The answer is C. Earthquake insurance. Earthquake insurance is necessary to cover damages caused by seismic activity. John should verify if his mobile home policy includes earthquake coverage. Commercial and specialty policies. Businessowners policy and BOP and builder's risk. What is the primary purpose of a business owner's policy? Is it A, to provide comprehensive coverage for small to medium-sized businesses, B, to offer health insurance to business employees, C, to insure large corporations against cyber threats, or D, to provide life insurance for business owners? The answer is A, to provide comprehensive coverage for small to medium-sized businesses. A BOP is designed to provide comprehensive coverage for small to medium-sized businesses, combining property and liability insurance into one policy. A small bakery experiences a fire that damages its equipment and interrupts operations. How does a BOP help in this situation? Is it A, it provides coverage for employee injuries, B, it offers legal defense against lawsuits, C, it covers property damage and business interruption, or D, it reimburses for lost inventory only? The answer is C, it covers property damage and business interruption. A BOP covers both property damage and business interruption, helping the bakery recover from equipment loss and lost income during repairs. Which of the following is typically not covered under a builder's risk policy? Is it A, fire damage to the construction site, B, liability for injuries on the construction site, C, theft of building materials, or D, wind damage to the structure? The answer is B, liability for injuries on the construction site. Builders' risk policies generally do not cover liability risks, focusing instead on physical loss or damage to the construction project. A contractor is building a new office and a storm damages the partially completed structure. What coverage does the BULDRS risk policy provide? Is it A, coverage for physical loss or damage to the construction project, B, coverage for delays in project completion, C, coverage for increased labor costs, or D, coverage for contractor's liability? The answer is A, coverage for physical loss or damage to the construction project. Builders' risk policies cover physical loss or damage to the construction project, including damage from storms to partially completed structures. What type of businesses are typically eligible for a business owner's policy? Is it A, large manufacturing plants, B, international corporations, C, government agencies, or D, small to medium-sized businesses like retail stores? The answer is D, small to medium-sized businesses like retail stores. BOPs are generally designed for small to medium-sized businesses, such as retail stores, restaurants, and offices, that meet specific eligibility criteria. A retail store owner with a BOP experiences a burglary that results in stolen inventory and property damage. How does the BOP respond? Is it A, it does not cover theft, B, it covers both property damage and stolen inventory, C, it only covers property damage, or D, it only covers stolen inventory? The answer is B, it covers both property damage and stolen inventory. A BOP typically covers property damage and loss of inventory due to theft, providing financial support to repair damages and replace stolen items. What is the typical duration of coverage for a builder's risk policy? Is it A, until the project is completed and accepted by the owner, B, for 1 year, regardless of project status, C, until the first inspection is passed, or D, for 6 months with an option to renew? The answer is A, until the project is completed and accepted by the owner. Builders' risk policies usually cover the duration of the construction project, typically until the project is completed and accepted by the owner. A construction company with a builder's risk policy faces a delay due to vandalism at the site. What does the policy cover? Is it A, it covers all delay-related expenses? B, it does not cover vandalism? C, it covers repair costs due to vandalism? Or D, it only covers theft-related damages? The answer is C, it covers repair costs due to vandalism. Builders' risk policies often cover vandalism, providing funds to repair damages and potentially cover some delay costs, though not all delay-related expenses are covered. Cyber, professional errors and omissions, D&O, umbrella excess liability. A tech company experiences a data breach exposing client information. Which type of insurance policy would most likely cover the costs associated with notifying affected clients and managing the breach? Is it A, cyber liability insurance? B, directors and officers insurance? C, errors and omissions insurance? Or D, umbrella insurance? The answer is A, cyber liability insurance. Cyber liability insurance typically covers costs related to data breaches, including client notification and breach management. It is designed to address risks associated with digital operations. What is the primary purpose of errors and omissions insurance? Is it A, to cover physical damage to property? B, to insure against cyber attacks? C, to protect against claims of negligence? Or D, to provide health benefits to employees? The answer is C, to protect against claims of negligence. E&O insurance protects professionals against claims of negligence or inadequate work. It is essential for service providers to mitigate risks associated with professional errors. A board member of a corporation is sued for a decision that led to financial losses. Which insurance policy would likely respond to this lawsuit? Is it A, cyber liability insurance? B, directors and officers insurance? C, errors and omissions insurance? Or D, umbrella insurance? The answer is B, directors and officers insurance. Directors and officers insurance covers legal actions against board members for decisions made in their corporate roles, protecting personal assets from claims of mismanagement. What does an umbrella insurance policy primarily provide? Is it A, coverage for cyber incidents? B, protection against professional negligence? C, coverage for directors' decisions? Or D, additional liability coverage? The answer is D, additional liability coverage. Umbrella insurance offers additional liability coverage beyond the limits of standard policies, such as auto or homeowners insurance, providing extra protection against large claims. A consultant is sued by a client for providing incorrect advice that led to financial loss. Which insurance policy would cover the consultant's legal defense costs? Is it A, cyber liability insurance? B, directors and officers insurance? C, errors and omissions insurance? Or D, umbrella insurance? The answer is C, errors and omissions insurance. Errors and omissions insurance covers claims related to professional advice or services that result in financial loss, including legal defense costs. A marketing firm accidentally sends confidential client data to the wrong email list. Which insurance policy would cover the costs of rectifying this error? Is it A, cyber insurance? B, errors and omissions insurance? C, directors and officers insurance? Or D, umbrella insurance? The answer is A, cyber insurance. Cyber insurance typically covers data breaches and the costs associated with rectifying such errors, including notification and legal expenses. What is the primary function of directors and officers insurance? Is it A, to cover data breach costs? B, to protect against personal liability for corporate decisions? C, to provide excess liability coverage? Or D, to insure against professional negligence. The answer is B, to protect against personal liability for corporate decisions. D and O insurance protects corporate directors and officers from personal losses due to legal actions taken against them for alleged wrongful acts in their capacity. A software developer is sued for a bug in their code that caused a client's system to crash. Which insurance policy would cover the legal defense costs? Is it A, cyber insurance, B, directors and officers insurance, C, errors and omissions insurance, or D, umbrella insurance? The answer is C, errors and omissions insurance. Errors and omissions insurance covers legal defense costs for claims of professional negligence or mistakes in services provided.
Notice the code in the corner? When you're stumped by a question, enter it at birdsy.ai for immediate help. Enjoy complimentary study sessions and access to hundreds of additional questions to help you pass your exam with confidence.
Farm owners, ranch owners policy, and specialty liability. A farmer's barn is damaged in a storm, and he files a claim under his farm owner's policy. What type of coverage would typically apply to this situation? Is it A, liability coverage, B, property coverage, C, medical payments coverage, or D, loss of income coverage? The answer is B, property coverage. Farm owners' policies generally include property coverage for buildings such as barns. This coverage helps repair or replace structures damaged by covered perils like storms. Which of the following is typically covered under a ranch owner's policy? Is it A, automobile liability, B, flood damage, C, livestock liability, or D, workers' compensation? The answer is C, livestock liability. Ranch owners' policies usually cover both personal and commercial exposures, including liability for livestock-related incidents. A ranch owner is sued after a visitor is injured by a horse on the property. Which part of the ranch owner's policy would address this claim? Is it A, liability coverage, B, property coverage, C, medical payments coverage, or D, personal property coverage? The answer is A, liability coverage. The liability coverage in a ranch owner's policy protects against claims of bodily injury or property damage to others, including incidents involving animals. What is the primary purpose of a farm owner's policy? Is it A, to cover only personal property, B, to provide health insurance for farmers, C, to insure crops against failure, or D, to cover both personal and commercial exposures? The answer is D, to cover both personal and commercial exposures. A farm owner's policy is designed to provide comprehensive coverage for both personal and commercial exposures on a farm, including property and liability risks. A farm owner wants to ensure coverage for equipment breakdowns. Which endorsement should they consider adding to their farm owner's policy? Is it A, flood insurance endorsement, B, liability extension endorsement, C, equipment breakdown endorsement, or D, crop insurance endorsement? The answer is C, equipment breakdown endorsement. An equipment breakdown endorsement provides coverage for the repair or replacement of farm equipment that fails due to mechanical or electrical issues. A farmer's tractor causes damage to a neighbor's fence while plowing near the property line. Which part of the farm owner's policy would address the neighbor's claim for damages? Is it A, property coverage, B, medical payments, C, liability coverage, or D, loss of use? The answer is C, liability coverage. The liability coverage in a farm owner's policy typically covers damages caused to third parties due to the insured's farming operations, including property damage claims from neighbors. Which type of coverage in a ranch owner's policy typically protects against legal claims for injuries occurring on the property? Is it A, property coverage. B, liability coverage. C, medical payments. Or D, loss of income. The answer is B, liability coverage. Liability coverage in a ranch owner's policy protects the insured against legal claims for bodily injuries or property damage occurring on the property. Liability, claims, and general application issues. Legal liability concepts: negligence, vicarious, strict liability. A delivery driver for a company causes an accident while making a delivery. Who is likely liable for the damages caused? Is it A, the driver personally? B, the company employing the driver? C, the vehicle manufacturer? Or D, the delivery recipient? The answer is B, the company employing the driver. In this scenario, the company is likely liable under the concept of vicarious liability, which holds employers responsible for the actions of their employees performed within the scope of employment. What is the primary difference between negligence and strict liability? Is it A, negligence applies only to intentional acts? B, strict liability requires proof of intent? C, negligence requires proof of breach of duty. Strict liability does not. Or D, strict liability applies only to professional services. The answer is C, negligence requires proof of breach of duty. Strict liability does not. Negligence requires proof of a breach of duty and causation, while strict liability does not require proof of fault, focusing instead on the inherent risk of the activity. A homeowner's dog bites a passerby on the street. Under which legal concept might the homeowner be held liable? Is it A, strict liability? B, vicarious liability? C, negligence? Or D, no liability? The answer is A, strict liability. The homeowner may be held liable under strict liability, which applies to inherently dangerous activities or animals, regardless of the owner's negligence or intent. Which of the following is a key element of negligence? Is it A, intent to harm? B, breach of duty? C, strict adherence to rules? Or D, vicarious responsibility? The answer is B, breach of duty. A key element of negligence is the breach of duty, where a party fails to meet the standard of care expected, leading to harm or damage. A construction company is sued after a passerby is injured by falling debris. What type of liability might apply? Is it A, negligence? B, vicarious liability? C, no liability? Or D, strict liability? The answer is D, strict liability. The construction company might be held liable under strict liability, as construction activities can be inherently dangerous, imposing liability regardless of negligence. A contractor installs faulty wiring in a home, leading to a fire. Under which legal concept might the contractor be held liable? Is it A, negligence? B, vicarious liability? C, strict liability? Or D, no liability? The answer is A, negligence. The contractor could be liable under negligence for failing to exercise reasonable care in the installation, which directly caused the fire. What is a key element required to establish negligence? Is it A, intent? B, breach of duty? C, ownership? Or D, consent? The answer is B, breach of duty. A key element of negligence is the breach of a duty of care, which must be proven to establish liability. A store employee spills water on the floor, and a customer slips and falls. What type of liability might the store face? Is it A, strict liability? B, negligence? C, vicarious liability? Or D, no liability? The answer is C, vicarious liability. The store might face vicarious liability because the employee's actions while performing job duties caused harm to a customer. Claims process, duties after loss, third-party issues. After a storm damages a client's roof, they delay notifying their insurer for 2 months. What impact could this delay have on their claim? Is it A, no impact as long as repairs are made? B, the claim will be expedited? C, the claim may be denied? Or D, the insurer will cover additional damages? The answer is C, the claim may be denied. Delaying notification can lead to denial of the claim due to failure to meet policy conditions, which typically require prompt reporting of losses. What is the primary duty of an insured after a loss occurs? Is it A, notify the insurer promptly? B, repair the damage immediately? C, contact a lawyer? Or D, ignore minor damages? The answer is A, notify the insurer promptly. The insured's primary duty is to promptly notify the insurer of the loss to initiate the claims process and comply with policy conditions. A policyholder's neighbor sues them for property damage caused by a fallen tree. What should the policyholder do first? Is it A, settle with a neighbor directly? B, notify their insurer immediately? C, ignore the lawsuit? Or D, hire a private investigator? The answer is B, notify their insurer immediately. The policyholder should notify their insurer immediately to ensure the claim is handled properly and defense is provided if covered. Which of the following is a common third-party issue in liability claims? Is it A, deductible calculation? B, policy renewal? C, premium adjustment? Or D, subrogation? The answer is D, subrogation. Subrogation is a common third-party issue where the insurer seeks to recover costs from a third party responsible for the loss. A business owner discovers a theft at their store but waits a week to report it to their insurer. What could be a consequence of this delay? Is it A, the claim may be denied? B, the insurer will increase coverage? C, the claim will be prioritized? Or D, the deductible will be waived? The answer is A, the claim may be denied. Delaying the report can lead to a denial of the claim due to non-compliance with the policy's prompt reporting requirement. A homeowner discovers water damage in their basement after a heavy rainstorm. What is the first step they should take to ensure their claim is processed smoothly? Is it A, start repairs immediately? B, notify the insurer immediately? C, wait for the adjuster to contact them? Or D, document the damage with photos? The answer is B, notify the insurer immediately. The first step is to notify the insurer promptly, as delays can complicate the claims process and potentially lead to denial of coverage. What is a common duty of the insured after a loss occurs? Is it A, ignore the damage? B, sell the damaged property? C, prevent further damage? Or D, wait for the insurer's instructions? The answer is C, prevent further damage. The insured must take reasonable steps to prevent further damage, which helps mitigate the loss and is a standard requirement in insurance policies.
Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more practice exams, tips, and tricks. And don't forget to visit birdsy.ai for complimentary study sessions with Birdsy, your AI-powered study partner.